Good morning and happy Monday, everyone. Lesley here. I just wanted to show you a quick Monday makeover that you can do that's quick and easy. I'm going to start off with my color correction because I have some redness, and this just corrects that redness. Usually the older we get, the more darker our skin gets, and you'll have other issues that you'll need to take care of. So if you're ever color matched, don't be surprised if you're told you'll need more than one highlight, and that will be why. So then then I usually go right into my contour, which I'll be using Astoria today. Right under the cheekbone. And this contour, it may seem intimidating, but it really isn't once you get the hang of it. And it just adds such dimension to your face. And it is so easy. So don't be intimidated by it. I mean it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. And you're gonna go above right near the hairline. And we'll be blending everything later, so don't worry about it. Just get it on there. Then I contour down the nose. You don't have to. I just find that it works better for me. Side. Okay, and then you just follow it on up. And just tip of the nose. Okay, then we're gonna go to my other highlight, which is Candlelit. And I'll be putting that where the contour isn't. So I just bring it here. The other side. Above the eyes and down. And I'm gonna just blend this in a little bit right now before I put my brightener on. I'm gonna use my Perfector sponge, which is already damp and I've squeezed it out many times. So you're just gonna go like that. It really presses the highlight in for a nice, smooth finish. I highly recommend this. I love it. Let's get a little bit more contour. And what's great about this makeup too is you can take away, so you never have to worry, oh my gosh, I put too much on. Bring this downwards along your jawline. You want to bring it down the neck. We're going to dab and we're going to dab and push up. You don't want to bring your face down. Dab on the nose, just go like that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my brightener, and I'm using June today. And it's important when you do underneath your eyes, you're going to do a triangle. You don't want to just do right here, because that's going to bring attention, more attention to your eyes. So you want to bring them, let's show you here on this side. Sorry about that, turn that off. Bring it downwards. Bring it up. So you see that difference? The V versus that. See how much all your attention is brought right to here. And when you blend that, look at the difference. You just see this area, whereas here it's all blended together. So that is a very important step, that you bring it all the way down like a triangle and you bring it all the way up to here. So important. And it makes a huge difference. Just do a tip on your forehead. Your chin, and then down your nose. And now we're gonna just blend that. I'm just dabbing here. Just dab, dab, dab. Okay. We can always touch up later, so let's do some eyeshadow. I'm keeping it simple on this Monday because it's Monday. I am just going to be using this Rome shade. It is so beautiful, and it has just a touch of glitter in it that just is perfect. So the eyeshadow everything brush, and I'm just putting it on my lids. And it is my go-to color right now. Just that little extra sparkle. Okay, let's see if I fix all of my mess. Like some got in my hair. Sorry about that. Oh, I already got some gray hair coming in. Awesome. I'll fix that next. So look at that. I love that color. Please get that color. It's beautiful and it looks good on everybody. I know we're having issues with our eyeshadows. They are due in tomorrow or Wednesday, the 5th. So I think they're due in Wednesday. Most of them. So yay to that, I know, finally. Then I just use a black eyeshadow. I have my coming from Maskcara. It's not here yet, but just gonna use this one in the meantime. Just quickly dot my top brow and bring it out. And then I don't go all the way into my inner brow, my inner eye. I stop it about right there. And then underneath I don't go all the way either. Go about 3/4. Kind of smudge it in, you know. Do short, choppy strokes. All right, and we'll just do that again on the bottom. Make make sure I connect them too. So I'll show you that in a minute. Just be light-handed with it when you're using black. I mean, I believe you can use any color you want in any age, and that includes eyeshadows too. The Rome has a little sparkle in it, and you know, even as we mature and get older, I think you can still use the sparkly colors, just, you know, not as much of it. So I think if you use a lighter hand, you are fine. I don't think we need to be restricted. Okay, so I connected those. Then I'm gonna do my mascara, and then I usually do underneath my top waterline just because my lashes are so sparse. The black gel liner really makes them stand out. So for now, we're gonna be doing just using Cover Curl Lash Blast. I usually use Thrive, but I'm low and out of it, so I need to order more. But thankfully, I have 10 million others on hand. So we'll see how this one goes. What are some of your favorite mascaras? Have you had good luck with some? As you can see, I don't curl my eyelashes either, just because they're so sensitive and fragile that they'll come right out. That was due, I have cancer, and I had it 10 years ago, and then it reoccurred. So throughout all the treatments and everything, it's just the way they've come back and everything. They're just so fragile, and I don't take any chances, so I really don't curl or anything. Boy, mascara is not easy to put on when you're doing a video. And I still have that thing in my hair. Unbelievable. Okay, let's just do a little bit here. All right, you get the gist of it. I'm struggling with the mascara today, but I'm gonna, let's go to blush, my favorite. So this is a great summer color, and I'm just getting it out for you to show you. All right, here we go. And of course I need my glasses. This is so embarrassing, but I knew it was, yeah, I knew it was Cindy, but just had to make sure. Cindy, it is a great color. Dab that on the cheeks. Now, they say the apples smile, apple. Well, the older you get, you wanna kinda do it just a little bit above. So a smile, there's my point. Just dab it on. Look at that pink. Oh. I mean, is that not the most beautiful color you've ever seen? See, just a little bit above, so it doesn't bring your face down with the blush. And it's going right on top of the contour, so it's all blending together. And I'm just gonna use my fingers and put it on my lips. Cindy, she is a great color. Highly recommend Cindy. It is so good. Illuminator. It just gives you that glow, I'm telling you, and you can just use your sponge. I'm using Pearl. Show you how messy, but Pearl. just add my Perfector sponge. Then I just go right above here. And then I'm going to use my finger, but you can put above. Love putting it above, right below the brow. And my corners of the eyes. Tip of the nose. And here in Cupid's bow. Look at that. I'm debating on whether to use Bella bronzer or not today. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna add my Maybelline Lasting Drama gel to my upper waterline. All right, let's just do a little bit of Bella all over. And then you're good to go for the day. High points of your face. And don't forget your neck. Oh, what a great difference. Bella, you have my heart forever, you know that. So there you go. Now we're gonna just use the Stay Spray. This will keep your makeup all day. I'm using the SPF 30, but we have a regular one without, so if you have questions on that, please let me know. I think that gets in my hair more than my face. But there is a quick and easy Monday look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. All right, have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye.